What if you could carry a professional 4K security camera in your pocket, record for up to 11 hours, capture GPS location data, survive rain, dust, and even harsh outdoor conditions? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the BOBLOV B4K5 4K Body Camera, a compact, wearable camera designed for security professionals, law enforcement, outdoor adventurers, delivery workers, and anyone who wants reliable evidence recording wherever they go. But is it worth the money? Let's find out. Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're interested in smart gadgets, drones, cameras, electric vehicles, and innovative technology, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's dive into the BOBLOV B4K5. The first thing you'll notice is how compact and rugged this body camera is. Weighing only about 142 grams, it's lightweight enough to wear comfortably throughout the day. The included rotating clips allow you to attach it to your shirt, pocket, belt, shoulder strap, or tactical vest while adjusting the angle for the perfect recording position. The camera features an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle rain, dust, mud, and challenging outdoor environments. It also boasts a 2.5-meter drop resistance, making it suitable for demanding jobs where equipment durability matters. Whether you're a security guard, park ranger, firefighter, delivery worker, or outdoor explorer, this camera is built to take some punishment. Now, let's talk about what matters most: video quality. The BOBLOV B4K5 records in Ultra HD 4K at 3840 by 2160 resolution. This provides significantly more detail than standard 1080p body cameras. You can also choose from multiple resolutions, including 1440p, 1296p, 1080p, and 720p. This flexibility helps balance storage space and battery life, depending on your needs. The camera captures sharp footage with good detail for identifying faces, reading signs, and documenting incidents. For photography, it supports up to 48 megapixel images, making it useful for evidence collection and documentation. One of the standout features is the infrared night vision system. The camera includes 4 infrared LEDs that allow recording in complete darkness. This makes it especially useful for night patrols, security monitoring, camping trips, emergency response work, and late-night deliveries. BOBLOV also includes a built-in white LED light for illumination in dark environments. And there's even a red beam feature that can help identify targets or act as a visual warning signal during operations. For a camera this compact, that's an impressive set of lighting options. A feature rarely found on budget body cameras is GPS tracking. The B4K5 can record your location while filming. Later, you can review the recorded route and location information using BOBLOV's GPS playback software on a Windows computer. This feature is especially useful for law enforcement, security patrols, delivery services, field inspections, and hiking adventures. It adds another layer of accountability and documentation to your recordings. Storage won't be a problem here. Depending on the version you choose, the camera comes with internal storage options including 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or 256 gigabytes. Since memory is built in, there's no need to purchase or manage separate micro SD cards. The B4K5 also supports loop recording. When storage becomes full, older footage is automatically overwritten, ensuring continuous recording without interruption. Video clips can be set to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or 30 minutes. This segmented recording approach reduces the risk of losing large files due to corruption. You can also lock important footage to prevent accidental deletion. Battery life is another major advantage. Inside is a large 3400 milliamp rechargeable battery. Under typical conditions, the camera can record continuously for up to 11 hours at 1080p resolution with the screen and infrared lights turned off. That's enough for an entire work shift without needing a recharge. Charging takes approximately 4 to 5 hours using the included USB-C charging system and charging dock. The charging dock makes daily use convenient, especially for professionals who need the camera ready every day. For users recording sensitive footage, password protection is included. This prevents unauthorized access to your recordings and settings. Combined with GPS logging and evidence quality recording, the B4K5 becomes a strong option for professional documentation purposes. Who should buy this camera? The BOBLOV B4K5 is ideal for security guards, police officers, fire inspectors, delivery drivers, park rangers, construction supervisors, private investigators, hikers, campers, cyclists, travelers, and anyone wanting a reliable wearable recording device for safety and accountability. Let's summarize the advantages. Pros: sharp 4K Ultra HD recording, 48 megapixel photo capability, GPS location tracking, excellent 11-hour battery life, IP68 waterproof protection, 2.5-meter drop resistance, infrared night vision, built-in storage options, USB-C charging, charging dock included, password protection, lightweight wearable design. Cons? A few things to consider. GPS playback software works only on Windows. Maximum clip length is limited to 30 minutes. No removable memory card support. 4K recording may reduce battery life compared to 1080p. Overall, the BOBLOV B4K5 delivers an impressive package for anyone looking for a professional-grade wearable body camera. With 4K recording, GPS tracking, night vision, rugged waterproof construction, built-in storage, and all-day battery life, it offers features typically found in much more expensive body cameras. For security professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone needing dependable evidence recording, the B4K5 is definitely worth considering. What do you think about this body camera? Would you use it for work, travel, cycling, or personal security? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.